Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW i3 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to prevent any mishaps. Also, consider placing a soft cloth down to protect your key fob from scratches during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Before you remove the old one, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear it click. Now, test all the functions of your key fob to confirm that the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.